Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear speakers in a Toyota Corolla. Begin by disconnecting the battery and gathering tools, panel pry, Phillips screwdriver, and socket set. Remove the door trim carefully to access speaker screws, unclip electrical connectors, and remember to keep screws organized. Test the new speakers before reassembly, verify polarity, and route wires away from moving parts to avoid noise and debris. Work methodically when removing the door panel to avoid breaking clips or scratching trim. Use a plastic pry tool to start at a corner and work along the edge until clips release. Keep track of all screws and fasteners in separate piles to simplify reassembly. Label connectors if needed, then gently lift the panel away and set it aside on a padded surface to protect finishes and hardware. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful DIY videos. Quick recommendation: grab a little Trees black ice for your car to mask that workshop aroma and keep the ride pleasant after a messy install. I throw a note to check the description for the link and other deals, and it really helps me out. Now let's get back to the video. Mount the replacement speaker carefully, aligning the holes and avoiding pinched wires. Use the original screws or supplied hardware to secure the speaker firmly, ensuring no vibrations will rattle. Reconnect the speaker wires, observing polarity so the audio is full and balanced. Before reattaching the door panel, test the stereo at low and medium volume to confirm proper function and that no unwanted noise appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.